Hi everyone. Today we talk about stack columns. This is a simple stack columns, and the data set we have item A, B, C, and the totals. However, in the stack column, we do not want the total because when the data is stacked together, it gives us the height of the total already. That's why we do not want the total to be displayed as part of the stack column. However, we do want the data labels for total. Like the one on the right hand side. And we want the data labeled to be dynamic. When we update the data source, the total label will be updated automatically. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to achieve that. Let's start from the beginning. Select the data range, go to the Insert tab, Insert Columns, Stack Columns, and look at the axis. This is not what we want. So we need to switch rows and columns. Click it. Now it is looking good. We can add the data label by pressing the plus sign and then select data labels. As we said before, we do not want the data to be part of the stack columns. We can just resize the data range to exclude the total. It is looking good. The next step is to add the data label for total. To do that, we need a dummy series. Let's create a dummy series like this, with all the dummy values 10. Select the range, copy, select the chart, paste. There we go. The dummy series is now part of the stack columns on the top. However, we do not want to display 10 for the dummy. We want the totals. To do that, we select the data labels, make sure all the data labeled in the series are selected, and then right-click, Format Data Labels. Here, uncheck the value. We do not want to show the original value. Instead, we want values from cells. Select the data range where we want, and then press OK. Now, the data labeled for the dummy series is actually showing the totals. Let's change the data to see if it is working. Well, yes, they are working very well. Instead of showing 10, they are displaying the total of each month, which is great. Now I want to remove the yellow columns, so I'm going to set the values to 0, so no columns will be displayed for the dummy series. Now I can further edit the data labels. Click on it. Make sure the label positioned to be inside base. Now it is looking good. I can further delete the y-axis to give it a clean look, and also change the color styles to a monotone. Great. Further editing the legend. Select the legend. Click one more on the dummy, just to select the dummy. Then delete it. I also want to make the total data label a little bit bigger, just a little bit, to differentiate from the others. We are almost done. I want to hide this word, but we will going to see a problem after it is hidden. When the dummy word is hidden, so does the data labels for it is also hidden. To fix that, select the chart. On the top, Go to the Chart Design tab. Select Data. Click the hidden and empty cells. Make sure you will have this box. Check. Okay, we have the data label for totals coming back.